For years, far up northeastern Alaska lies a place, isolated, undisturbed, unharmed, where the freezing temperatures are no match for the animals that roam the 19 million acres in this treeless landscape, a place where they call home. The Arctic National Wildlife Refuge was created to help the organisms and their habitats within the ecosystem, allowing various species to live in peace and prosper.
But nah, man. One species isn't living in peace. They're fighting every day to keep their population alive, and there's nothing the refuge can do alone to keep them safe. Polar bears are dying. This is a sad time. These large and white creatures have been on this earth for thousands of years, taking their place on the snowy land of Alaska and other cold areas around the world. However, since 1992, the population of polar bears have decreased, with about 25,000 left back in 2013. Today, only 18,000 polar bears are left. Their population is slowly decreasing.
Wildlife Refuge by using it for oil drilling. In March of 1985, the process began. Vehicles entered the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge and flattened/compressed the snow, which caused the underlying plants to die. Eventually, they stopped oil drilling in that location and the land started to heal again. However, there is still another problem that the ecosystem is still being faced with: global warming. The drastic temperature changes caused by global warming has been resulting in many animals, including polar bears, to lose their homes, which in a couple of years would lead to their extinction.
The Arctic National Wildlife Refuge is part of the Arctic tundra biome, where tree growth is scarce because of the short reproductive season and cold temperatures. The winters are long and cold in the Arctic tundra, and the summers short and cool. Permafrost covers the surface of the ground, a unique factor characteristic of the Arctic tundra that no other biome has.
Some producers that can be found in the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge includes Labrador tea, Arctic sedge, alpine azalea, Arctic willow, cotton grass, and reindeer lichen. These are the few plant producers that are able to survive in such freezing temperatures. Speaking of temperature,
The average temperature for the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge is about negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 34 degrees Celsius during winter, and during the summer it is 36 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 to 12 degrees Celsius. The average snow and precipitation is only 15 to 25 centimeters or 6 to 10 inches.
Found in this ecosystem includes Arctic foxes, snowshoe hares, musk ox, weasels, lemmings, golden eagles, ruddy-turned stones, a species of birds, and snowy owls. As I stated in the beginning of the video, the Arctic National Wildlife Refuge is located in northeastern Alaska. ANWR.
every organism is connected to everything in their ecosystem. They all form a food web. The energy from one organism going into the next when eaten. Since they are connected, if one part of the web were to disappear or were to grow, the whole web would be affected. For example, if the reindeer lichen population were to decrease, many first level consumers' population wouldn't be growing as fast as it should. This also means that the second and third level consumers would be affected as well. Their population is decreasing.
Lastly, the wide and open land of the tundra provides habitats to many migrating populations such as birds, caribou, and polar bears.